Welcome back to Dune Sport. We have a 26-foot FBX model here with a slide out to show you. Outfitted with our Mocha cabinetry, upgraded countertops throughout. Trailer came out beautifully. We've got a 2-foot counter extension here at the end of the kitchen. It's got a 3-burner slide-in style cooktop, convection oven, air fryer here above with the hood range, taller overhead cabinets with an added shelf, large single basin undermount sink with a nice pull down faucet, and an added pantry here that goes floor to ceiling. Full depth drawers throughout this whole kitchen. Plenty of storage in this base cabinet. Got your heated tanks, your battery and tank monitor, and a dual source water heater. On this passenger side, we have a fridge and open space in this slide out here. That's where her couch is gonna go. This is a 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge and some storage here below for your pots and pans. But lots of open space in this trailer. In the rear end, we've got these sliding glass doors. We'll show you this patio kit here in a minute. But how cool is that? You've got a patio plus a sliding glass door to keep the AC in. So moving forward here, we've got a split bathroom. We've got a tall linen closet here with your switches on the side of it. You got shelves throughout for plenty of storage. This is a split bathroom, so you got your vanity here on the passenger side with your medicine cabinet. And on the other side, you have your 3x2 tub and toilet. So this is a pretty awesome layout here. And even better, this space here going to the bedroom is a 30-inch hallway and a pocket door. So it just feels much more open, and it feels like a better use of space from your traditional bathroom. So front bedroom model here, you got a full front walk around bed. We've got a shelf above the bed here instead of an overhead cabinet. You do have storage under the bed. Full length wardrobes on each side with pull out drawers below. And we actually extended this bedroom here another 1.5 feet. So we've got 3 feet here at the foot of the bed. Our customer wants to put her IKEA cabinet right there below her TV. So lots of room in this bedroom. She's got a pup with her, so real nice and cozy for her to live out of. This floor plan is much different than our standard FBX model on our site, but we get to design it exactly how you want. Having a winch open and close your ramp door is nice and smooth. Makes it much easier to open and close the door. So 8-foot ramp door and patio on the back, 9-foot slide out, upgraded steps, full pass-through storage underneath this bed here. Propane tank cover, electric tongue jack, 2 6-volt batteries. You got plenty of storage on this trailer here. 26 feet long only, so you got 100 fresh, 50 gray and black combined. This trailer had a dry weight of 7,000 pounds and can technically load another 7,000 pounds into it. So being able to pick and choose your options with us is awesome. Getting a quality built toy hauler is even better. Contact us anytime with any of your questions. This customer is on her way back home to El Paso, Texas to enjoy her new home. Thanks for watching, guys. We truly enjoy what we do and are happy to build you your next toy hauler.